Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today is going to be the first part of a triple unboxing video. So I have these two boxes, which I'm going to open on camera tomorrow and then Sunday. And I have this box that I'm going to open today because I want to get this giant box out of my closet. So this is from The Hut, and I haven't ordered from them for quite some time, but thehut.com, assuming you don't have any issues getting your stuff, it has been somewhat successful for me to order from them. I have heard from others, though, that when they order from thehut.com, that they've had issues and they've had a really hard time getting in touch with them. That hasn't been my experience, but if you do order from The Hut, I would recommend paying with PayPal with a credit card through PayPal, so you're doubly protected in case of any issues. And in one case, I have a friend who did that, and she ended up getting her money back whenever they didn't send the bag to the right address, and it just took a while. But sometimes you can't get these colors in the United States. So if you want to order something that's not available here in the good old US of A, sometimes The Hut is the best option. And that is exactly what I am dealing with here today. So let me go ahead and get into the box. This box is ginormous. This box should not be this big. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's like taking up the whole screen. So here is the item. It is a Coach item. Check that out. And there is a mass of air paper. I like having air paper around, so I'm going to save that. I do not have any use for it right at this moment, so I'm going to sit it over there. Here is the Coach bag that I have in store for you today. I think I have 5 of these bags, and I told myself, Erin, you do not need this bag. You do not need this bag. You do not need this bag. And they kept sending me emails telling me that I needed this bag. And I was like, what the heck? Come on, people. And then they sent me another email and they told me my birthday coupon was still good for 25% off. And I thought, well, if that's the case, then I better go ahead and order it. So I did, and here it is. And I just got goosebumps. Gosh, why do handbags give me goosebumps? Other things give me goosebumps too, like when I see my husband, sometimes I get goosebumps. When I see my kids do something amazing on the basketball court or whatever, sometimes I get goosebumps. But handbags definitely give me goosebumps. So I must think that they're pretty special or something like that. So let's look her over, make sure she's A-okay. I think she is. This is the Taupe Soft Pebble Camera Bag by Coach. I have 5 of these. I got one of them from The Hut before this. That was in the Aqua color, and I really like all of them. The leather is so squishy gushy. It feels very good, but very durable. And I was hesitant to order this bag because I thought it was the same color as my Saint Laurent camera bag, the Lou camera bag. So let's just test that theory. Is this the same color? I think not. I think this has a lot more pink undertones. This color here for the Saint Laurent bag is called Dusty Gray, and I definitely think it has gray undertones. The closest thing I have in my collection to this color, I think, is my Prada. Let me go ahead and pull it out. So this is my Prada in the color Cammeo Beige. And you can see that the leather on these two is very, 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 very similar. And I betcha I could use the strap from this bag on my Prada, and maybe even vice versa, but I don't know that I'd want to use the Prada strap on the Coach. I definitely think I might use the Coach strap on the Prada. I am slightly sad that my soft tabby that I had ordered from Monnier, Frères, I don't know if that's right, I've already forgotten. Monnier, Frères, I believe that's correct. My soft tabby I ordered from them that I had to send back because it was really funky. I'll link that video down in the description box. I was excited because I thought I could use the strap that was all leather for that bag with this bag whenever I wanted to have a more monochromatic look. And unfortunately, that bag came all messed up, so I can't use it. Now, I may have found it somewhere else. We'll see. I'm not going to hold my breath that it's going to come in perfect condition, but I know at least with this website that I'm talking about, which is 24s.com, that I've had excellent experiences. In all but one case, I've kept the item. One time I returned and I had no issue whatsoever. So if you want to get a European exclusive color, I would definitely recommend 24s.com. Their Black Friday sale is still happening. And so when I ordered that soft tabby, I put in the code Black Friday 25 and I saved 25% off, which isn't as good as the 40 I saved with Monnier Frères, but at least I know I'll get a good bag, and if I don't, I won't have to fight them on it. So this camera bag by Coach is from their first generation of camera bags. That means that it only came with one strap. It retailed for $275, I believe. When they came with both straps, they retailed for $295, and if they came with just the skinny leather strap, the retail price was $250. So I unloaded her of her stuffing, and you can see there's a slip pocket here and a credit card pocket here that's leather. It's really nice. The back pocket is super generous, big enough to hold your phone. And the strap is just gorgeous. Now, my only complaint with the strap is that it doesn't have any taupe in it except for the leather bits that are trim. I do prefer a more monochromatic look, which is why I was super excited to get the soft tabby and have the strap with the grommets that comes with that bag to use with this bag. But hopefully that'll all work out in the end. We'll just have to see. It's a continuing docu-series that I've got going on with all the bags that I seem to receive damaged. Let me go ahead and try this beauty on for you, and you tell me what you think. So I am digging this soft pebble camera bag. I think it's really cute. Love how it feels. Love that it's somewhat worry-free with the pebbled leather. And I'm going to say right now that this bag's a keeper, and the tag is coming off. So tag's gone. It doesn't even say the retail price on it, but I do remember it is $275 whenever it comes with just the web strap. Now let's see, just for bleeps and giggles, if this strap looks good with the Prada Re-edition, because I kind of bet it does with the trim on the leather that it has. You all know I love my straps, and I think that that is pretty darn nice. Probably matches better than the all leather strap will match when I get that. But I'm excited to have that because with my gray Prada Re-edition, my granite strap that came with my Dove Gray Soft Tabby matches that really well. This strap matches this well, and I think the all leather version will match pretty darn well too. And then of course I've got a grommeted strap from two different bags for my black Prada Re-edition that I just opened yesterday, and I'll link that video down below too. So I'm really excited. I think that that's fun. It's fun to change it up. I love that I found a color from a different brand that matches so well that I can use it interchangeably for all three of my Prada Re-edition bags. I think that will bring them further into the future, especially the all leather straps with the grommets, because the web straps, they may eventually go out of style or they may wear out. You never know. So let's bring Miss Soft Pebble back into the screen. I would say this is a win. I'm due for a win or 2 or 4 or 5 because I've had so many unsuccessful unboxings lately, but this is definitely not one of those. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.